Hello everybody, I'm back again. This time I'm going to teach you verbs. Create verb. These are the doing words. So, create teka kachung dang diej. Create teka kachung dang diej. Verb has 5 forms. What are the 5 forms of the verbs? Let's see. The first one in Nuer is Rietangda, or the definite or the base form of the words. For example, I use the word go. The word go has 4 other forms. Wir katong nas. Enyen Rietangde. Ndo tagabas dangwan takong talut keniang kelo. Riet wakawa. Riet wakawa are the present continuous form of the verbs. For example, going. These are the actions that are happening right now. Ketitwok and term riet wakawa. Then the next one, riet nishang. Riet nishang ke where are, where chung, where gar. See, all those are the example of present simple forms. The present simple form, what are they? Are the actions happening daily or happening all the time? For example, the word goes. When you use the word goes, it means something went yesterday, he went today, he's going to go tomorrow. See, these are the action that you're doing every day. He goes to school, that means he go to school every day. See, yet where then the fourth one is riechua. Riechua at the past tense, the past form of the word went. For example, when is the past form of the word go? It's the same form. This is the same word, but this is just the past tense for go. The same thing like wa. And yet in kel, load near or will. Dum de o emichi wa already. Ried e well. Ried e well are the past participle form of the word of the verbs. So like gone is the same word go, but this is the fifth form or the past participle form. In English, in Nuer, door, ramichi jor, ramichi wa. This is the same thing. Jor, wa, waka, where. See? Now, let me give you an example to make you understand it better. Now, I will use the words here, bir or come in English. Jin berka. Jin berka mean you come to me. You come to me. Now, what is another form of this word is an aben. Does it mean the same? Yes. An aben. I am coming. This is the same word come, but in a different form. It shows an action that is happening right now. Somebody is coming right now. An aben. Nyo niyo dan ya jellen term be kiji. An aben. No ni word in kill. Ber. The third one is bear. Bear or la bear wana nishan. La bear wana nishan. La bear wana nishan. In English, he comes here every day. He comes here every day. That means yesterday, today, tomorrow, all the time. He keep coming. Same thing in Nuer. La be wana nishan mulo no ben pan be ben wale be wanerun. Amitwo nishan. The fourth one rather, is Chabendwel Gorka. Chabendwel Gorka mean I came to school. Chabendwel Gorka, I came to school. Chakutung Benchang. Chakutung Benchang, he has already come home. He's already come home. So Chakutung Benchang, he has already come home. Now, see, in red, look at the words all in blue. They all mean the same word in red. Look at the words in blue in English. They all mean the same comes in red. Now, but these are the different form of the same words. This is what I'm talking about. This is a rule that you will never find in any book in Nuer. But lucky you, you got it here. It took me a long time to come up with this. Let me give you another example. And the other example here, I'm going to use word wir, go. In wirar, you go out. In wirar, you go out. An awakarar. An awakarar. I am going out. An awakarar. I am going out. La werar nishang. La werar nishang. He goes out every day. Je warar minan. He went out before. He went out before. Je warar minan. Yakutung warar. He has already gone out. Yakutung warar. He has already gone out. And that will be it for today. See you in the next video. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe.